In this video, I will show you how to change language on your Android phone. You will want to sign into your Netflix app account and select the profile you want to change language on. Then, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Now, select the hamburger menu on the top right. Then, choose Manage Profile. Select your profile. Then, choose Display Language. For this example, I will change it to Chinese. Tap on the back button and you will be prompted to restart the app. Now, the app will be in the Chinese language. To switch it back, you will want to remember the placements if you are not familiar with the language. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the hamburger menu again. Select your profile, then choose this option, and you can come back to switching the language to English or your preferred language once more. Thanks for watching.